If you live in a very small apartment or condo, you know how valuable space is. Whether it's a tiny college dorm or a small studio apartment in the city, every square foot counts when there's not enough room. Don't let your small space prevent you from achieving feng shui efficiency. From double-duty options to sleek and unobtrusive designs, here are 10 pieces of furniture perfect for small spaces. Number 10. Expand Furniture DIY Loft. The great thing about an industrial loft space, even a small one, is the open floor plan that allows you the flexibility to develop a number of options for furniture arrangement. If you have high ceilings, you could be wasting a tremendous amount of space overhead. With the Vancouver, Canada-based brand Expand Furniture, you can monopolize that space with transformable space solutions. Have a look at the DIY loft space that provides not only additional room in which to live, but also more levels on which to appreciate the extra space. You might not be able to turn your loft into a duplex with this addition, but you might be able to add a home office, a bedroom, or even just a little extra storage space while also contributing to the delineation and separation of the areas below. This innovation allows you to use more of your available vertical space. Number 9. Nendo Expandable Nest Shelf. Not every small space needs a miraculous solution. There are times when you can get by with just a little bit of additional storage space. Japanese designers are unrivaled masters of exquisite simplicity, and for years, they have been meeting small space questions with innovative answers. A wonderful illustration of this is the straightforward expandable bookshelf that was designed by the Japanese design group Nendo. When open, the Nest shelf extends from a size that is just over 2 feet when it is folded to a size that is just over 4 feet when it is completely extended. There are also 2 further size modifications in between, which will allow you to satisfy your storage demands with the least amount of hassle possible. Number 8. Nuovo Leola Wall Beds. If your space is so small that you can't decide on whether to have a comfortable bed or a space to entertain, then you can make use of morphing furniture items throughout your home, such as the Nuovo Leola 10 Murphy bed. Hidden away in a cute little 3-seat sofa, this queen-size bed disappears seamlessly into the decor and transforms with hardly any hassle. The shelf that is situated over the sofa moves easily into position at the foot of the bed, providing additional storage space for use throughout the night without requiring any additional attachments. Number 7. Golden Tiered Square Top Coffee Table. There is no such thing as too much drawer space, and the Olden coffee table proves it. 4 corner drawers with easy pull metal glides and sculptural pulls tuck away when not in use. A square tabletop sits above even more divided shelving space to present additional decor. So you can kick up your feet when cozying up in front of some Netflix, or pull out the shelves to entertain guests during your next soiree. Number 6. Bed Shelfie. A bed shelfie is an absolute necessity if the space in your bedroom is really constrained, and there is nowhere else for you to put a nightstand other than next to your bed. This tiny shelf has a design that allows it to be fastened onto the ledge of any bed frame, and it is strong enough to support all your nighttime necessities without the risk of the entire thing toppling over and dropping to the floor. Put in your water bottle, phone, alarm clock, hand cream, and anything else you require right before you go to sleep, and you'll be all set. In the meantime, if you're loving these amazing space-saving furniture pieces, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more. Number 5. Hidden Bed Majestic Desk Bed. Even though transformable furniture items are ideal for living in spaces with limited square footage, this does not imply that you need to have a limited amount of room in your home in order to fully appreciate them. In the event that you are forced to choose between having a bedroom or an office, you do not necessarily have to pick one over the other if the space in question contains transformable furniture. The Majestic from Hidden Bed conceals a queen-size bed inside a traditional-looking secretary-style writing desk. Once the desk folds down into a bed, the writing surface slips easily beneath, offering under-the-bed storage. Even more impressive, once you bring the bed down, you have a pair of useful shelves that sit over the bed for holding any nighttime necessities. This innovation gives you twice the room in half the space. Number 4. Gochi Foldable Kitchen. Kitchen space is also at a premium in a small home. A kitchen that is barely functional can make it difficult to prepare a dinner for multiple people. Gochi Biologic, a designer based in Helsinki, Finland, has devised the solution to this problem. Gochi provides the best of all possible worlds by providing a fully functional kitchen that can be folded into a handy and aesthetically looking box that can be stored away out of the way until it is needed again. This multifunctional kitchen station can be converted into an oven, a cooktop, and even a dishwasher for added convenience. In addition to being able to revert to its original, more space-efficient box form, the enlarged kitchen can also be arranged into a number of different configurations, each of which takes up a different amount of room. Number 3. DisConcept PIA Pop-Up Kitchen. The PIA Pop-Up Kitchen by DisConcept is yet another ingenious kitchen solution that gives the impression of being a contemporary and elegant entertainment cabinet, even though it is actually a fully functional kitchen. It can even hold an actual television on a wall mount located on the inlet at the front of the cabinet. When its doors are open to 90 degrees or to their entire span of 120 degrees, an astonishingly well-appointed kitchen is revealed to include a dishwasher, waste disposal cabinet, an integrated refrigerator, a fully integrated hood, LED lighting, electrical outlets, and an open shelf that can hold a freestanding microwave oven are also included. The doors have a depth of 6 inches and can be used to store utensils, bottles, and other items related to cooking. The sink, faucet, and stovetop are all integrated into the countertop, which is 6 feet long. Number 2. Studio Drawer Pickup Chair. Studio Drawer has just the perfect chair for you if you have more wall space than floor space. The Pick Chair, which was conceptualized and developed by the creative designer Bed Majestic, can be transformed from attractive wall art into comfy seating in only 1 second using only one hand. Number 1. Resource Furniture Goliath Expanding Table. The Goliath, which is another product that Resource Furniture has to offer, can be converted from a compact writing desk into a complete dining table. The 17.5-inch desk employs lightweight aluminum leaves to expand to just over 9 feet, providing sufficient space for 10 guests to sit comfortably. It is available in materials suitable for use indoors and outdoors, and has a strong construction that incorporates reflective glass. When you live in a small apartment, it may seem impossible to design a living environment that is both comfortable and functional. But this is not the case. Tell us in the comments which amazingly space-saving piece of furniture will save your small space from clutter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.